How to change notification sound in Snapchat app. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change notification sound in Snapchat app. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings and then you have to go to sound and notification. Sorry. Sound and vibration, sorry. And then you have to click on diffuse notification sound. And you can choose here, you can get varieties of sound here. You can choose any one and then you have to click on choose local. You can choose from your music and you can choose from here also. This is how you can change your notification sound on Snapchat app. Thanks for watching.